Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth0 in ToolJet with social login, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, log in to your ToolJet account. From your dashboard, create a new application or open an existing one. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left-hand side. Within the settings, look for the Authentication section and click on it. Choose the option to configure authentication settings. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to the Auth0 dashboard. If you don't have an Auth0 account, sign up for one. Once you're logged into Auth0, click on the Applications section. Select Create Application to start setting up your social login. Choose a name for your application and select Single Page Application as the type. Click Create to proceed. On the Application Settings page, scroll down to the Allowed Callback URLs. Here, add the URL of your ToolJet application followed by the endpoint for authentication. Next, go back to the Settings tab in your ToolJet application. Copy the client ID and domain from your Auth0 application settings. Now, paste the client ID into the appropriate field in ToolJet. Also, paste the domain into its designated field. Save your changes in ToolJet. Return to your Auth0 dashboard and click on Social under the Add-ons section. Enable the social login providers you want to use, such as Google or Facebook. Follow the specific instructions to configure the credentials for each social provider you choose. Review your configurations and ensure everything is set correctly. Once satisfied, go back to your ToolJet application. Create a button or link in your app that users will click to authenticate. Set the action of this button or link to trigger the social login flow. Test the integration by clicking the button in your ToolJet application. If you've set everything up correctly, you should be redirected to the social login provider. After successful login, you will be redirected back to your ToolJet application. You can now see the user's information populated in your ToolJet app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.